this is Hazel and I'm going to share to you an addition to my medical equipment at home that provides ease to my breathing, especially whenever a seizure strikes. So I have been living with lupus and I do have standby oxygen cans and oxygen tank at home. Due to the disease process, it's part of my everyday life, the shortness of breath, the fatigue, the pain, the exhaustion even after daily activities, and most importantly during a seizure episode. Before and during a seizure episode, I have to be on oxygen because I am experiencing respiratory muscle spasms that reduces the oxygen level in my body, and that could be really harmful if not attended well. And even after a seizure episode, I have to be on oxygen for recovery. It is quite a struggle to bring an oxygen tank wherever we go for an overnight stay. And sometimes I do experience that my oxygen tank runs out of oxygen and we have to travel just for a refill. And so when I learned that a continuous oxygen therapy using a machine is available in the market and it's safe to use at home, I felt excited that finally there is a product in the market that can support my medical needs at home in a more convenient way. Let us introduce to you the VARON VH2-PRO Oxygen Concentrator. I have oxygen therapy whenever I need to without worrying so much na mauubos na ang tangke. Okay. I'm excited. Manual, very important to read. This VH2 Pro comes with wheels, so it's easy to transport around the house kasi hindi lang akong gagamit dito. My father can also use this one. We pull our oxygen tank and it's quite heavy really, especially pag nagmamadali. Have to turn it over. So this one goes here. And it comes with lock, so it's nice. We can secure the machines.
VARON!
VARON!
It's like a machine.
Yeah, it's cute. So it has a sleek design. Ah, this one is the handle they can carry. So you can help Nanay, no? When I need oxygen, oxygen. Ganon. Yes. Correct. Very good. Around the ears or at the back of the ears and secure. Okay, I'm ready to turn off. Let's try.
Intelligent oxygen therapy begins.
I can feel I find it. It's so nice. Yeah. Amazing.
And it is oxygen is intelligent.
10 minutes. Or 20. Or 30. Ang flow tarik ito 2 liters per minute. Amo na
Okay.
Yes. May support sa oxygen.
Welcome to the unit. Please keep the humidifying bottle clean.
In times like this, naglalaro or I'm doing my hobbies, nagkakaroon ako ng shortness of breath. We can use the VH2 Pro para ma-help ako to get along and enjoy our game tonight. Okay? So come here and on.
Intelligent oxygen therapy begins.
So I got 2 liters per minute. So I'm good with that. Let's have a time. Let's say 30 minutes. Yay!
Oxygen therapy at regular time is over, and you are using.
Okay? Why man nagingin ni Molo? May isa ka pa? Ha?
Intelligent oxygen therapy begins.
Tapos ni time mo up, kung panubuon mo time, tapos ni flow
The oxygen therapy at regular time is over. Thank you for using.
Hello, I'm having my 30 minutes oxygen therapy, and I just wanted to say briefly how I appreciate this VARON VH2-PRO there. Yeah. What I appreciate is that it doesn't produce so much sound or any disturbing noise even at nighttime. So I'm just enjoying a calm evening with some good music and later on a good night's sleep. One more thing, I'm going to show you the screen when I turn off the light. Okay, set that. So if you can notice, the touch screen and the humidifier, the light is not too striking in my eyes, which is good thing kasi mas light sensitive na ako ngayon. 7 more minutes before I finish. So yun lang, I'm ready for a good night's sleep and good night.
Welcome to use. Please keep the humidifying bottle clean. Intelligent oxygen therapy begins.
Sagan mo hangin. Tapos pintuton mo lang ng sa tungaon.
Anybody, I need help. Hello, anybody, I need help.
Kung prasa na kung ano gali, pwede emergency, pwede siya.
Hello, anybody, I need help. The oxygen therapy at regular time is over. Thank you for using.
I'm gonna show you my oxygen saturation before I start. So my oxygen saturation is fluctuating between 97 and 98, which is normal. This is the relaxing weekend night light for me. So my heating pad is on and my TENS machine is working as well for my team. And I'm having that extra dose of oxygen because my body is tired and in pain. So I have to recover and just to treat myself. If I can describe it, I'm inhaling a feeling clean and moist air without any kind of discomfort. And it just makes me feel so good and relaxed. This VARON VH2-PRO has its built-in 10 layers of purification system and also a secondary filtration where we can clean from time to time. So it's like a dust cup. When I'm relaxing like this, I'm usually using this remote control. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's go back to 30 minutes. There you are. And usually I'm using 2 liters. So let's go down.
4 liters, 1 liter, 2 liters.
There. So at 1 to 2 liters per minute, it can produce up to 93% concentrated oxygen. Air. Umakyat tayo sa 99%. With Claire Lalou. So we are watching a movie. And to wrap up this video, I can generally say that having VARON VH2-PRO Oxygen Concentrator at home is great. It is easy to use, it is not heavy to lift, it is easy to move around the house, and even my family members can use it. It's easy to control the oxygen flow and its timing through here, and by using the remote control from afar. I have that feeling of ease that I can rely on this product whenever I have an emergency situation. And I didn't actually feel any breathing discomfort or unusual sensation during and after the oxygen therapy. What I love is the comfort and just feeling good that my cells are replenished with oxygen whenever I need to. It helps me get by and recover faster from fatigue, and I can be active again. So yes, I can generally say that it is safe to use at home as long as you follow the correct usage guidelines, and also don't forget to still consult your doctor. So yes, continuous oxygen therapy at home is achievable through VARON VH2-PRO Oxygen Concentrator. If you believe that you need this product as well, and if you are decided, you can visit the VARON official website and their Facebook page through the link that we provided in the description box. And we got something for them, okay, Claire?
The discount code is Nanay18.
Yes, that is 18% discount for all VARON products. We will be sharing a product demonstration video soon, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Wishing you all a good life.
We hope this helps.